Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your YouTube search history, watch history, and any other history that you recently left by simply using or browsing on the platform. Let's first launch the YouTube app. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner at your small profile picture, okay? Then go ahead and click on the gear icon at the upper right. When you're at your settings, you will have a special function over here which it says manage all history. You want to click it, it's almost at the lower end of the menu. You click on manage all history and here you will find all the history currently collected from YouTube about you. First thing, you want to click on saving your YouTube history. This is where you're going to find out what currently YouTube saves as your history. They're saving, as you can see over here, they're saving the videos that you've watched, they're saving the search queries that you did, and they could also save your voice and audio activity if you're using Alexa or if you're using a voice commands, right? You can all turn this off and you can essentially opt in for automatic deletion. If you click over here, after these periods between 3 to 36 months, depends on your preference, and if you opt in for this, after this time frame, the YouTube will automatically delete all of the collected search history. So in this way, they will have to start collecting after they delete the old one. There is something else as well on this side, guys. If you go back, you will find that there is an option over here. You see the small calendar icon underneath. This is a new channel. I don't have any search history, but if you look, there is a small calendar icon. Here you can actually click and go on particular day, month, or year and find the search history and delete it manually if you want. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.